Rain or shine, last two painters, Northport, Batang Pier getting ready to rumble dito sa loob ng Mall of Asia Arena. Ang bayan ng Rain or shine ba? Ang mangingibabaw rito. Ating kasama at courtside. Maya-maya maririnig yung kanyang ulat. Apple David, and action has begun right here. And these are two teams. Sean Anthony will bring you, di ba? Pero si Robert Bolick, hindi natin masigurado pa. Kasi hindi nung pinakita sa unang laro, okay naman yung second. Pero
also must be given to Coach Bido Harencio for coming up with this kind of a team. They have a Mo Tautua who can land the paint for them, both offensive and in the roster right now. That makes them legit dahil kompleto pa rin yung perimeter players. Ayan na, nagpakita na naman si
Jom Soliano, upo muna. Sean Anthony is back in the game. Baseline drive, stand the man. Count it. Sa baba lang yun.
Tingnan nga natin dito
Pito.
Hindi natin alam kung saan tinawagan Doon pa yung sitwasyon. Napakahirap istapin at alam na alam.
Sabay naging pahinga. Sabi mo nga, Charlie, itong rain or shine, sunod-sunod yung mga nagiging laro at magiging laro. At first, pinoproblema nila ito.
Ang third quarter natin, natin sa atin ng Cobra Energy Drink. May laban ka, stand, atake agad, pasok na naman. Stand the man, immediately puncturing the hoop with a 2.
So he has the quickness, also has the height and the length. Pero nag-switch naman doon.
Tama. Tinirahan, pasok.
Yun ang mabigat.
Chris Rosales got lost in the shuffle. That 3.
Contribution ni Tautua, even if it's not scoring, the most important thing is he is attracting the defense.
Wow! Wow! What a play para sa... Measured it. And it was right there for Stan to just catch one dribble. Boom! May foul pa from, as you said, the best defender in the league. That's rolled out and Bo Belga. That cost him a field goal. He's in double digits, 15 total. Pringle in transition. In transition, partner. Tres yun. Natin sa atin ang tres.
Quarters. And he has a tremendous kind of touch from the outside in tonight's game. And problem.
Screen and Ahanisi Yuk then tipped away, however, on the floor. Nakuha na ni Stan. And that's a foul in the backcourt. Ay, tinawag.
Yeah, tignan natin, matake siya.
Hindi bangga. Natapik yung bola. Although, according to
Baka nakalimutan mo na against San Miguel. He gave the shrug.
nga.
Diba?
Nag-shrug
The MJ shrug.
ang problema, Stan wants it back.
Natalo pa sila ron.
Stolen away. Stanley Pringle picks it up, goes to Sean Anthony. Easy 2 para kay Sean. To the main man, Stan. After 4 minutes to go in the fourth period, Stan wants 3. Stan gets 3. Na naman.
And look at this play. Ray ng Batak. Why do you go under?
At na-recognize agad
just
this
wiped
time.
out. I mean,
na-recognize agad this time. Uy, umilalim. Pura-puran. And that's it.
Wow.
Northport only managing 11 points in the fourth period. Remember, pinansin mo yan